feel very depressed right now.
This is Benny.
You want to interview me?
In his hat. Benny, how did you feel when he made you that hat?
I felt embarrassed and I felt very used. No,
those ends there, he licked those. It was kind of gross. Nathan almost got whacked in the face a few times when he was making it. And now we see Benny had a reason to be nervous that whole time. His name's Hobo Phil.
He's just out to get me because I'm a ginger.
Yeah, that's what it is, Benny.
He's racist.
Yeah. I don't think that's a race. I think that's a hair.
Oh, it's a race.
Okay.
Hair. Is that a redhead joke?
It's never mind. So anyways, you know, that's what's going on the train. Benny's stuck wearing the hat. He tried to take it off, but the guy told him to put it back on, so haha, Benny. And that's all for now.